Looking to import products from Zulanda into your WooCommerce store with WPFetch AI, it's super easy. All we have to do is navigate over to the product in which you want to import onto your WooCommerce store. Click the WPFetch AI extension, click capture this page. It'll search for the product on the page. It's found this product here. And then all we have to do is just click import into WooCommerce. Then that's done. If you want to create a similar process on your WooCommerce store, the first step is to head over to WPFetch AI. I'll leave a link in the description below. And currently there's a free trial. So you can go ahead and test this out for free. If you want the Chrome extension, you do need to go for the Plus plan. And that will allow you to import products behind a login page or some kind of bot protection. So it's more advanced. And if I click this edit link here, we'll be able to see this product on our WooCommerce store. We've got the title, description, image, and we've also got the category and the brand as well. So that's really good. Alternatively, if you go for the basic plan in your WooCommerce store, you just upload and install the plugin, of course, and then just click on WPFetch AI importer here. Here we've got two options. So the listing page. So this is typically the product category. You can paste it in here and it will try pull all the products within that category. And then you can choose which one to import, or just click on product and then just enter in the URL of that specific product. Again, the limitation with this method is, let's say it's behind a paywall where you have to log in, so we'll struggle with that. And also if there's some kind of advanced spam protection, in that case, your best bet is just to utilize the Chrome extension. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you got any questions, leave it in the comment box.